I made a mistake. It was not Aurangzeb's birthday. It was the anniversary of his coronation.
Coronation.
Yeah, coronation. Yes.
Yeah. जिसको हिंदी में राज्याभिषेक कहा जाता है.
राज्याभिषेक का birthday.
Yeah.
वो था.
Yeah.
So that time they were making every hour there was music, and that was I think it was a brilliant idea
by Shivrai.
By Shivrai, and to lead that operation.
So basically they used those moments as the loophole to enter and carry on with their plans.
Of course, that was in the plan.
Yeah.
The integral part of the plan. The noise, the anniversary birthday, Ramadan, crescent moon night, shifting base to Kondana, then entering as a wedding procession or slaves, then gathering near around the Lal Mahal, killing the guards, and entering at midnight.
Yeah. Yeah.
It was all a part of that plan. Similarly, choosing Afghanistan as a base to fly helicopters, making them invincible to the radars, then dropping the SEALs inside the compound and outside the compound, then following the wives, then finding Osama bin Laden.
Yeah.
Then escaping. It was an integral part of Operation Neptune's Spear.
Ma'am, but आप सोचो, I mean, just ignore everything, but आप सोचो कि what are the chances in 348 odd years कि Operation Shaista Khan and Operation Neptune's Spear हर कदम पर कितने similar है? There's like 90% blueprint. If you look at Operation Shaista Khan done by Shivrai, it is something that the SEAL Team 6 did, but with just advanced weapons and a high-tech, team backing them from the USA.
Yes.
I think, before Shivrai actually made it happen, he just, may have just seen it, visualized it in front of his eyes. All right. I'd just like to read this. During the day, this was the night, the Ramadan day. During the day, usually people who work outdoors feel hungry and wait for the iftar feast to break their day-long fast. So I think they were not even that alert because this constant,
so
the feeling of...
sugar gets lowered. If you are working outside, sugar is lowered, and then you're a little confused also. So you wait for the meal.
You wait for the meal.
It's good for health, but that time, iftar time is a vulnerable time.
For them, correct. और जैसे कि कहते हैं कि जब तक खाना ना खाओ तो दिमाग नहीं चलता है. So I think that also proved to our advantage.
दिमाग नहीं चलता है. पेट नहीं तो दिमाग नहीं.
Okay, the aftermath. Khan, Shaista Khan, lost 2 younger sons, a son-in-law, a few wives, and 50 guards, while Shivrai lost 6 of his men from Team Sajak, and 60 were wounded. It was a chaotic situation and no one knew who the enemy was since the midnight attackers escaped from the kitchen, melted into the camp, and exited from the outpost before the outpost guards were alerted. Shivrai and his men collected their horses, left by the banks of the river, and galloped towards Kondana, picking up the cavalry detachments left behind for safety. Found, searched, confirmed, executed, exit
and
plan.
Escaped.
Escape plan. Amazing.
Yeah, amazing.
Ma'am, what happened to Shaista Khan after this? What was Aurangzeb's reaction?
So Aurangzeb was very angry. First, Shaista Khan made Jaswant Singh Rathod as a scapegoat, that you had joined hands with the Maratha king and you had taken bribes, which was wrong, which was not the case.
Yeah.
And he made Jaswant Singh Rathod a scapegoat. But Aurangzeb saw through the entire picture. And he said, now, come on, you are not fit for leading the Deccan campaign.
You have let me down.
You let me down. Don't even see my face. I don't want to see, because Aurangzeb was that time, I think, holidaying in Kashmir. He was coming back to Delhi that time.
उनकी छुट्टियां चल रही थी.
उनकी तो beautiful छुट्टियां चल रही थी उधर कश्मीर में. तो वो आते समय he told his mama ji, now मुझे नहीं, I don't want to see your face, so you have been transferred to Bengal. Mama Jan was transferred to Bengal.
Yeah.
And I do not look at them as stupid and idiots. Shaista Khan was very brilliant, okay, but what I mean to say, he was not Gali Ka Gunda. He was a brilliant Mughal general and a Subedar of the Deccan that time. Okay, he was not an idiot. But to, finish an intelligent man is far more difficult. It
Yeah.
was managed by Shiv Rai when he was hardly 33,
Yeah.
not yet the Chhatrapati, and he was just the leader of the
Masses.
not leader